Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining my channel, RPGuru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to watch more fun videos and also get updated when new videos are uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much.
I've installed HandBrake software on my Windows 10 laptop, but when I click on it, it gives me an error saying you must install missing frameworks. So let us see how to fix this. So I'm going to the HandBrake documentation website. I will share that link in the description. If you check, there is one section where it tells you what .NET framework you need. That's the version you need to install. If you install any other version, it will not work. So click on that link, go down and go to the Run Desktop Apps section, download the version you need. Usually for Windows 10, it's 64x64. I'm downloading it right now. And it's once it's downloaded, I'm going to install that. So if you see, it says Windows Desktop Runtime -- So you should look for this file in your download folder or wherever you downloaded the file. I'm going to go to the download folder and I find it, double click on that. And once it's clicked, so it asks you to go through the next steps of installing it. So click on install, and it's pretty quickly, it's going to install the software. So it's pretty quick. It's not too big a software. Once it's done, I'm closing all my apps and browsers. So I go to and double click on HandBrake. So if you see, there's no more errors. So hope this helps you if you find this problem. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.